Right now in this video, let's take a look at how we can stop the behavior of the iPad when links open in a new tab on the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, go ahead and subscribe right now because you're going to be interested in the future tutorials as well. But generally speaking, you need to open up your settings app of your iPad and then scroll toward the bottom to find the apps section. Inside of the apps section, you can manage all of your installed apps and their particular settings. So from the list, find Safari. Now, once you are inside in here, you can see plenty of different things, but when you scroll down and find the tabs section, you can see something in particular which says open new tab in a background, right? So you can see you might have it turned on or off, and this is probably the thing that you are looking for. What's interesting, however, is that when you go to the search of your settings and you can type in the open links, you can see that there is the ability to check open links in the background. And when you click there, inside of the settings, it's called open new tabs in the background, but it's the same thing, right? So this is the behavior change that you are looking for, right? So not only tabs, but also the links as well. It can all be managed right here, and you can decide if you have it turned on or off based on your preference. But naturally, if you want to change it from whatever it was, just either turn it on or off depending on how it was before. But that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed or achieve your goal. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.